Good evening. Today, 14 August 2026, and right now time is 5:15 p.m. Presently, I am in West Champachora under Tulashikar Agri Subdivision. So this is I'm on MICMP cluster. See here, all the farmers has transplanted in line sowing. So here she is the owner of this plot, my auntie Lila Deborma. So let me ask a few questions to her that how much area she has transplanted till today. Engkai toy sakati ni najaga total koi kani tong kheto? Satkani bisingo satkani tam maibor kha.
Kani khai khatra. Nate ngo duria ada kani.
Oh, engkai te baki khai? Tam maibor la toy amne. Ronjit. Engkai pajam ro khai kha khai?
Pajam khai. Ronjit. Te khasa te duria so.
Oh. Satkani joto no. Engkai nenggo jaga korok sini department ni jeta rimani bithi berai rok mama ko fertilizer mano na. Nong circle in charge Samir Rina bole. Acha.
Boni jota kisu.
Abono. Engkai toy mo jaga bade u nok boundary to nong bit kong ma jaga kono sobji ro tong koi kinar rok tam rok thalik bufang rok.
Khaklo ro kai jak to go.
Hoyu khaklo nin debo.
Khaklo tong go. Ngate gota ti koi go. Musambi tong go.
Oh.
Ta khajuro tong da ra kha.
Acha.
Khaju musambi ta ta apon ta ya ti pholok ta. Te sobji kai mo simi dai ko.
Engkai mam prosanto mam pongo song ni khai. Brok mun de pura khai ka.
Boni ji pura kai ro boni.
Mongo line no khayo na. Line no poru na. Emne khai toy joto mane mai de por pai ka mane mam pongo song ba dong ni spano. Joto no por pai kana. Da kon hambai toy.
Au phai jago tin phai phai tin phai.
So this is my MICMP cluster under this West Champachora ADC village, and here she is my auntie Lila Deborma of Pochim Champachora under Tulashikar Agri Subdivision. Since you heard from her that this year out of 7 kani, 1 kani she has sown kalikasha, even sticky rice is there, and rest the plot has been transplanted. The variety is Ronjit. So Ronjit na bole na toy. So here this is the cluster of this area. So our total area for this West Champachora is 36 hectare, and out of 36, 34 hectare achieved. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video.